What's going on YouTube? It's your boy KDL, you know, cool. We out here at this little meetup. Woo! Look at that.
What's that, leather?
Yeah.
Red leather?
That's that red leather for you. That's that red racing leather. Look at that. That red racing leather. This is the inside of these Corvettes right here. Got the shift panels on here. They got the little GPS. Got the touchscreen navigation. Everything in here. This drink is real nice. Drink real clean too. Look at the rims on that drink. That drink clean. Got the spoil on the top. Let's get look good with the. Look at the muffles though.
Y'all like my car?
Look at the muffles. Woo! This going on YouTube. This is a YouTube channel.
That's going on YouTube.
Yes. Hold on, I'm gonna cut them out. Y'all see all that right there? Round. Y'all know how this drink is, man. This drink probably, man, it's that legendary right here. Big legendary. Old school legendary. Then we up here to the Monte Carlo, the 80s. Monte Carlo out here. Inside's all nice and cleaned out. Got the classy rims on here. Even got the Chevy emblem on there. I don't think I see that. Wow, Chevy in there. Oh my God. And this the Monte Carlo in here. Oh, we gotta get the Cadillac. Look at this. Look at that candy, man. Where?
You see it on the dash?
That right there? Oh, you talking about that joint right there? That look like that's probably the alarm system, probably. Still keep its old classy touch. Look at that. Woo. See y'all don't know nothing about that right there. Well, y'all car lovers out here, y'all know exactly how this drink goes. Look at the inside of that. Even got the Cadillac mats on here. That's legendary. That's that old cat. They got a drop top like this too.
That engine on this Malibu truck.
Oh, right here, the double. Woo.
Wait till you get to that engine.
Nah, this is a Chevelle. This is a Chevy Chevelle right here.
Look at that.
Look
at the speed jump though.
Let's try this jump. Probably go faster than that.
Most likely.
Get the Malibu.
That engine's something serious.
Look at that engine though. The inside work is just. This a drag car right here. The real big tires on there though. Like y'all don't see how big these tires is until you actually see it in person. Like, and he got the roll cage, the built speakers in the back. Oh my God, this a dragster right here. Cause you see how those things right there? That's a manual.
He got that button on it.
Yeah, that joint right there, it's real. Those things right there, it's real hard. They're real hard, cause it's like you gotta go click. It's a lot of them. It's a lot of gear shift in there. But this joint's nice. Look at the engine on this now, man. Oh my goodness. What y'all know about that right there? Oh man. You know what I'm saying? This is the old school and new school car event right here.
He's really entering.
I doubt it. He probably just coming around to Put the chairs and stuff up. And that joint got 160 on the dash. It's the, I ain't gonna lie to you, I can't remember the name of this joint. I used to know the name of these joints like crazy, and now, nah, ain't no punch buggy. This ain't no punch buggy. Nah, there ain't no punch buggy. Don't insult the car, bro. Don't insult the car. Then you got the Chevy. Ooh, Chevy out here killing it. It's a lot more Chevy. This a Camaro too though, double S. Look at that. Woo. Double S. And he got the little hook, Then y'all never gonna know what's gonna be right next to me though. Guess what? The new Chevy Camaro out here. You know what I'm saying? And this is not any Camaro. This is the ZL1. The ZL1 Camaro out here, 2018. 2018, look how it looks inside though. That joint got 200 on inside one of these janks ever. If I can find the owner, you know, see if he'll give me a good car review with this right here. Man. Now this car got horses right here. Got the body on this one. Like look at the front of it. The front of it is got this truck right here. Chevy. And he got the Corvette engine put in here. The Corvette right here. Or he gonna burn somebody up on the streets. Look at the tires on this thing, bruh. And these joints, and they turn. Hold up. The seats turn. Oh. Man, that joint clean. This is why I call clean right here. This is called why I literally clean. Got the speakers in the back. Oh man. But we still that's balling. That's balling right there. And it definitely matches the color of the outside too. This is right here balling right here. And then, oh my god, of course you got the filter up top. Got your little converter belt right here. Woo! Now that's, I feel sorry to anybody. They ain't even got, oh my god. Woo! Got the new, now of course you got the Mustang over here. For all y'all Mustang hustlers out here. You know what I'm saying? This is work right here. And it's a 5.0. 5.0 old Mustang right here. This right here is legendary. This legendary right here. Y'all know the rims out here, stay shining. Still got this right here is cool in there right here. That's it right here. There's a nice, good, old school clean Cadillac. Always. Oh man. Now this right here. Big boy over here.
Look at the window, look at the window.
Make sure no lights, alright, cool. Make sure I get no lights clear. Oh man. Even the color on this car is just like, oh my god. Look at those rims on that house. Look at that right there. Woo. Look at all that right there. Man. Now, of course, you better go to it right over here. Look at that joint. Ooh. The hood on that joint. See, that's why they got the people that got the hoods like this to make sure when they go real fast, it keeps the engine real cool. So all your air is going straight to this little muffle part right up here. And it's gonna go straight to the engine, and it's going straight just whoo. I can't imagine what the engine look like. We're gonna try to get the owner and see he gonna pop this drink open though. But this drink right here, this right here, this is like, oh yeah. Ain't nothing, man. Tell him. These cars for years. Then here we go with another Mustang, and it's also a dragster, big time. Look at that. Got the, of course, got it in here. Yeah, we out here, man. So another Buick. This is an old school low rider Buick right here. Then we also got the Camaro. That Camaro right here, all white. Now this right here, dragster too. Minutes since I've seen cars like this.
How y'all doing, young fellas? Come on, Jordan Brandon, my volunteer fire department.
Exactly. Here, the Camaro. I'm sorry, this not even a Camaro. This is, we back. Now, this is what I'm talking about right here. So y'all see the full effect. That thing right there is too pretty. Then they got the other Chevy Camaro. Look how they did this one. Like, hold up. You see how they did the designs though? The designs on it, it screams out this, like, screams out differently. Like, he got everything painted. And I don't see y'all see that real quick. You got the lights on the joints too. Ooh. Oh yeah. See, I gotta get this on I definitely gotta get this on my car. I definitely gotta get these type of lights on my car right here. I gotta slap that idea on the Mac. Look at that right there. Even for to give you that good detailed work. Look at how pretty that color is, man. And then it's the inside of the Camaro. He even got the inside like this. Oh man. Look at that. Y'all know it's about to be a big car review. For real, like, telling you. Look at the seats though. Rims, he even got the rims painted the exact same color as the inside. Look at those black crystals. Oh my God. Got the sport, got the side skirt. Exact same color. Got the orange on it. Even got the speakers on it now. Exhaust on that, like, look at the exhaust on that thing though. Now that's why I call baller. And this the driver's side that we're looking at now. It said right now it says 180 on the dash, but this joint goes definitely up to at least like 200 at least. It goes up to 200. Oh God. And got a V8 engine in too. Oh, I didn't even see the symbol there. Let me show you the symbol. So I'm gonna hit y'all back, and we're gonna see what's going on.
I'm that young nigga, turn your main bitch to a freak. They like clock you off the leash, got them jumping out they seat. I bought too hard, bitch, I'm the MVP. I'm killing shit.